Did you know that Switzerland has a secret that most tourists never discover? In today's video, we are going to unveil 5 of Switzerland's best-kept secrets that will leave you amazed. From hidden villages to underground treasures, we've got it all covered. So make sure to watch until the end to find out what they are. Welcome to our channel, your guide to all things travel and adventure. Before we begin, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on our exciting videos. 0 o'clock. Hook and intro think you know Switzerland. Today, we reveal its best-kept secrets that most tourists never discover. 0:30. Secret number 1. Hidden villages. Most visitors to Switzerland head straight to the major cities of Zurich, Geneva, or Basel without venturing off the beaten path. But the country is also home to many charming villages that are well worth exploring. For example, did you know that there are over 600 villages in Switzerland that are car-free? These villages offer a unique opportunity to experience Swiss culture and history without the noise and pollution of modern transportation. One such village is Meran or Garda, which can only be reached by walking or taking a bike. Once you arrive, you'll be transported back in time with its cobblestone streets, traditional houses, and horse-drawn carriages. Meran and other similar villages are not just picturesque, but they also offer a wide range of activities from hiking and skiing to cultural events and festivals. By visiting these hidden villages, you'll get a taste of authentic Swiss life that you won't find in the big cities. Don't miss out on this unique experience on your next trip to Switzerland. 1:15. Secret number 2. Underground treasures. Switzerland has a long history of defending its neutrality and independence. And during the Cold War era, the country took this responsibility to heart by building an extensive network of hidden bunkers, tunnels, and shelters all across the nation. One of the most fascinating examples of this subterranean engineering feat is the little-known Gotthard Fortress that lies beneath the Swiss Alps. This massive underground complex was constructed between 1974 and 1984 to protect Switzerland's strategic and economic interests in the event of a nuclear war. The fortress is equipped with everything from state-of-the-art communication systems to self-sufficient living quarters that can house up to 10,000 soldiers for months at a time. Today, the Gotthard Fortress is a museum open to the public where visitors can explore the fascinating history and technology of this once top-secret military installation. 2 o'clock. Secret number 3. The secret Swiss foodie culture. While Switzerland may be famous for its delicious chocolate and mouth-watering fondue, the country has much more to offer foodies than just those two specialties. From alpine cheese caves to cozy mountain huts, Switzerland is a paradise for food lovers. Did you know that the Swiss Alps are home to a unique type of saffron that is grown in only one village in the entire country? This rare spice is a key ingredient in many traditional Swiss dishes and can be found in everything from soups and stews to desserts and cocktails. If you want to experience the true flavors of Switzerland, be sure to try some of its local specialties like Rasti, a traditional potato dish made with fresh mountain herbs. By exploring Switzerland's hidden culinary gems, you'll discover a new side of this beautiful country that goes beyond its famous tourist attractions. So don't miss out on this unforgettable foodie adventure on your next trip to Switzerland. 45. Secret number 4. The hidden waterways. Switzerland is famous for its breathtaking mountain ranges and sparkling lakes. But did you know that the country is also home to a network of underground waterways that are just waiting to be discovered? One of the most impressive examples of this hidden aquatic beauty is the Trummelbach Falls located inside a mountain in Interlaken. This series of underground waterfalls cascades over a distance of 10 kilometers and is one of the longest of its kind in Europe. But that's not all. Switzerland is home to some of the purest drinking water in the entire world. The Swiss take great pride in their water quality, and there are numerous hidden springs and streams throughout the country that are just waiting to be explored. Whether you're looking to take a refreshing dip in a crystal clear lake or simply admire the stunning natural beauty of Switzerland's hidden waterways, this country has something for everyone. So don't miss out on this unforgettable experience on your next trip to Switzerland. 330. Secret number 5. The Swiss silent watchtowers perched atop remote mountain peaks and shrouded in mystery are the silent watchtowers of Switzerland. These centuries-old structures, some dating back to the 13th century, played a vital role in guarding Switzerland's borders and protecting its people from invaders. Over the years, many of these watchtowers have fallen into disrepair and have been forgotten by most. However, a few still stand as silent sentinels, offering a glimpse into Switzerland's rich history. Some of these towers are now privately owned, while others are open to the public as museums or hiking destinations. One of the most well-preserved watchtowers is the Tour de Sauvablin in Lausanne, which offers panoramic views of Lake Geneva and the French Alps. Despite their historical significance, many of these watchtowers remain shrouded in secrecy and legend. It's said that each tower has its own story to tell, from tales of bravery and heroism to stories of tragedy and loss. Whether you're a history buff, an adventure seeker, or simply someone who appreciates the beauty of Switzerland's natural landscape, the Swiss watchtowers are definitely worth exploring. Just be prepared to keep your eyes open for anything unusual. After all, you never know what secrets they might hold. For 15, wrap up and final surprise, so there you have it, folks. Those are 5 of Switzerland's best-kept secrets that most tourists never discover. From hidden villages to underground treasures, Switzerland has plenty of surprises in store for those who venture off the beaten path. But before you go, here's one last quirky fact about this amazing country. Did you know that Switzerland has over 7,000 lakes, many of which are nameless and untouched by humans? These hidden gems are scattered throughout the country and offer visitors a chance to escape the crowds and experience the beauty of nature firsthand. So, if you're planning a trip to Switzerland, be sure to do your research and explore all the hidden gems this country has to offer. You never know what you might discover. Now it's time to hear from you. Which Swiss secrets surprised you the most? Drop your answer in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos of hidden gems from around the world. Thanks for joining us on this journey through Switzerland's best-kept secrets. We hope you've enjoyed learning about this amazing country and all its hidden treasures. If you're ready for your next adventure, be sure to check out our upcoming video. Until then, keep exploring and stay curious.